This is a tutorial for an inverted thigh hold, so you should feel comfortable in a seat in an upright position, and you should be comfortable with a side climb, and you should already be going upside down ideally, because you do end up in this in an inverted position. So we're going to go through a side climb, so just one little side climb up. So we've got inside legs on, bring the bottom knee to join the top leg there, pull, hand, nice knee pop, lift the top leg up, then from there the outside hand comes beneath that top leg, lift this leg around, but you want to try and draw it forward if you can, and then from there the bottom hand slides down the pole, and see the way my chest is facing forward now. I want to make it so it faces the pole, like that. So it's facing the pole. As soon as it does that, I cross that leg over, I've got that tight thigh grip. And then there's two variations. So the first one is to just look in, and the second one is to lift forward. And then back in. And then you can just come out as you will. So I'm just going to slide out for the thigh conditioning, and down, and then release. So that's your thigh hold. Go and play with this move.